Hello people. It seems that rumors about Samsung Galaxy S23 FE were in the headlines since the beginning of time, and finally the latest version of the Fun Edition line is officially presented. For some reason, Samsung did not attach much importance to the release of these devices. In fact, the greatest effort that Samsung has made to this launch seems to be related to the introductory film, in quotation marks, which the company uploaded to YouTube. The video talks about some of the best functions of the Galaxy S23 FE, Galaxy Tab S9 FE and Galaxy Buds FE. As we expected from the smartphones of the FE brand, the Galaxy S23 FE is equipped with a flagship chipset. This is not the latest model of the chip, but nevertheless it is of a high class. On some markets, the Galaxy S23 FE is equipped with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chip, and on others with an Exynos 2200 chip. Samsung claims that it is more comfortable to play on it thanks to the evaporating chamber, which helps to control the heat and maintain performance. And according to the first reviews, people talk about a more optimized Exynos 2200 compared to the S22 series. But I would not rush with such conclusions. After all, this is a new device and many people are now emotional. Nevertheless, there were many rumors about a more optimized chip and a better cooling system, so we are waiting for confirmation in practice. The Galaxy S23 FE is equipped with a 6.4-inch display, dynamic AMOLED 2X with full HD plus resolution and adaptive refresh rate 60 to 120 Hz. And now it is equipped with Vision Booster technology, which is able to provide a better color rendering in different lighting conditions. Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 or Exynos 2200 chips are combined with 8GB of RAM and 128 or 256GB of built-in memory. The battery capacity of 4,500 mAh supports charging with a power of 25W, wireless charging and reverse wireless charging. The camera system has been upgraded to the main camera with a resolution of 50 megapixels, equipped with optical image stabilization and adaptive pixel technology for photos with higher detail without significant increase in file size. There is also an ultra-wide-angle camera at 12 megapixels, a telephoto lens at 8 megapixels with 3x optical zoom and a sensor for a selfie at 10 megapixels. Moreover, the camera offers flagship features such as 2x portrait mode, professional mode, night shooting, advanced digital video stabilization, professional video mode. It is not surprising that the Galaxy S23 FE comes with Android 13 and One UI 5.1. The phone also offers DeX, and Samsung promises the S23 FE 4 major updates to the Android operating system and 5-year security fixes. And the last, but no less important, is the external design. Another area in which the Galaxy S23 FE shines, but only on one side. The overall design and color solutions of the Galaxy S23 look really great. But then you look at the front end, it just hurts. These frames definitely look cheap. Many do not see the difference between S23 FE and A54, for example. Although, for the sake of fairness, S23 FE should not be considered a flagship, so its orientation to a more middle segment is obvious. Nevertheless, looking at the competitors, which in this segment offer much thinner frames, it would be possible for S23 FE to try, but we have what we have. The rear panel is Gorilla Glass 5 and aluminum frame, and the device has IP68 dust and water protection. Samsung claims that the Galaxy S23 FE will be available from October 5 on some markets in 4 standard color options: mint, cream, graphite and purple, as well as in 2 exclusive colors available only in the Samsung online store: indigo and tangerine. The initial price of the new phone Fun Edition is $600. For comparison, the Galaxy S21 FE was sold at the beginning of last year for $700. And, of course, the model of 2023 far exceeds the S21 FE, even if you take into account the time gap between them. It is clear that in our realities, these $600 are equivalent to 60 to 70,000 rubles, and there are only non-censorship thoughts in my head, but if without taking into account the weak ruble, then this is not a problem. A really good price, and if they really manage to shorten the Exynos 2200, then this is a worthy device. Samsung middle class, so welcome. Today, Samsung also expands its line. Fan Edition with the release of Galaxy Buds FE. These are the first Galaxy Buds Fan Edition companies, and the South Korean, the company seeks to implement most of what people like in Galaxy Buds, including active noise suppression and compact design, at an affordable price, only $100. Galaxy Buds FE has a setup with one driver, and not with 2 drivers like Galaxy Buds 2 and Buds 2 Pro. New wireless headphones support Bluetooth 5.2 with codes AAC, SBC, and SSC that can also automatically switch between smartphones, tablets, and laptops. Galaxy, depending on what devices you actively use. What is even more important, Galaxy Buds FE have active noise cancelling and ambient sound. Headphones also have 3 microphones on each side for clearer voice transmission and noise cancelling mode. The wear sensor automatically stops playback music when you take out headphones from the ears. Headphones have touch control, charging case has a design similar to the design of other latest models. Galaxy Buds with a rounded square shape. Samsung also increased the time of autonomous work. Galaxy Buds FE offers the longest time autonomous work among all wireless headphones company. With turned-off noise suppression, these headphones can work up to 8.5 hours without recharging. I cannot even imagine why you need to listen continuously headphones so long. And up to 30 hours with a case for charging. With turned-on noise-canceling Galaxy Buds FE can work up to 6 hours without recharging and up to 21 hours with a charging case. The price of Galaxy Buds FE in the USA is $100, in Russia 3 million rubles. Joke, well, about that. They are produced in black and white colors, although the case for charging will be available only in white. Apparently all the paint went to S23 FE. These wireless headphones will be available in some countries from October 10 to 2023, and on other markets the company will announce their prices and availability later. Personally, I really like these headphones. I'll get them. I'll do a review and maybe even I'll play among you, so stay on the channel, subscribe for new videos, see you very soon. Good luck everyone.